Hi guys, welcome to Get Curried. This is your Punjabi chef Prateek Dhawan, not just any Dhawan. Today I am Dhawan and I'm going to make an Indian starter called Tangdi Kebab. So let's start cooking. To start the recipe, first we'll put gashes in the chicken leg. For that, I'm going to take one chicken leg and start putting gashes on both the sides. After putting gashes in the chicken leg, I'm going to start preparing the first stage of marination. For that, first I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, green chilli, turmeric powder, lemon juice, freshly chopped coriander, and to enhance the flavor, I'm going to add little ghee. Now I'm going to massage the chicken nicely in the marination. Now that our first marination is done, I'm going to set it aside for at least 15 minutes. After resting the tangdi for 15 minutes, I'm going to start grilling it and cook it till it's 50% cooked. Add ghee. As the ghee starts to get hot, I'm going to start placing the chicken tangdi. While the chicken is getting 50% cooked, by that time we'll make our second stage of the marination. For that, first I'm going to take, in the same bowl, first I'm going to add whipped curd. To this, I'm going to add some processed cheese, but you can also add some cream cheese. Roasted chickpea flour, red chilli powder, Garam Masala, Coriander Powder, salt, black pepper powder, and again to enhance the flavor, I'm going to add some ghee. Now mix this all together. Guys, the second stage of marination is ready. I'm going to set it aside for a while. If the chicken is hot, you can't apply marination. It won't stick to the surface of the chicken. While the chicken is cooling down, I'm going to heat the coal, which will help me in getting a smoky flavor for the chicken. Place kasuri methi on top, followed by some ghee, and quickly cover it with the lid. And keep it smoking for at least 10 minutes. Chicken smoking is done. I'm going to remove the lid. And now we'll put the chicken for the second marination. Now let's mix the chicken in the second stage of marination. When the chicken is nicely marinated in the second marination, I'm going to set it aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll start grilling. Now that the chicken is properly rested in the marination, we'll start grilling it. For that, I'm going to switch on the gas, add ghee into the pan. As the ghee starts to get hot, I'm going to start adding the chicken drumstick. Our tangdi kebab is ready. Let's start plating. So guys, I hope you enjoyed me making this juicy tangdi kebab. You also do try the recipe and do let me know how you like it. But before you go, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Get Curried.